Hi, this is Alex on the Southside headquarters of MrTechReviewers. Today reviewing the Logitech K120 Keyboard. It's a pretty standard keyboard with a wired keyboard, not wireless. It comes with the two stands on the back for the angle adjustment. It's a pretty basic and pretty standard keyboard. It doesn't have any shortcut buttons. It has a standard Windows button built in, and the keys are, it has your standard keyboard and the number pad on the right with the green lights to indicate the lock features. It's a pretty standard keyboard. I got it at Office Depot on sale for $9.99, so it's perfect for home and business use, but pretty basic. No multimedia functions or anything. It's a pretty light keyboard and can carry around easily. That's about it for the Logitech K120 keyboard. This is Alex on behalf of MrTechReviewers. Please like and subscribe and comment to our videos, and thanks for watching.